Hi, I'm Matthew. You just got a crotch shot. This is my channel, and today I'm gonna do a shave video. Real quick, need to wet my face. Well, as you guys can see, I'm not home. I'm in a beautiful place called Cancun, Mexico, and hopefully there won't be any crazy sounds and I hope the microphone picks it up. Let me get you a little closer here. Let's see. Alright, you don't need to see the top of my hair. Today I'm going to do a shave. I thought about doing it on the beach, but it's very noisy. Very noisy. But anyway, I wanted to start out the new year in a great shave, you know, and all that kind of stuff, because last year was a little bit rough. But anyway, I brought my little Stirling shave kit, but I'm not using my Stirling Razor. I needed to use my GameChanger, and this is the .84 open comb, and I'm using my favorite blade, which is the Gillette Silver Blue, and my favorite soap, which is Droid Black. Gotta smell nice. I did put some in a little travel size container, and this soap has made it all around the world with me, and I always get compliments on it. However, I did forget to pack my Captain's Choice copper bowl, so I'm just using a little glass here from the lobby, or wherever it's supposed to be. And I'm using this Semouge, I believe that's the 830, can't remember now, but you know how that goes. I did the best I could with this water, and hopefully I'll have enough here to get a nice lather going. Not familiar with this water, so it may be a thin shave, not sure. And it's probably going to be a quick shave. I don't know if I'm going to do one on the beach or by the pool, but I've been thinking about it. And there are so many people here, it'll probably draw a lot of attention. My glasses are those ones that tint when you're outside. So let me take those off, because I don't want to get that shot too much. Got to be up close and personal. All right, so let me warm the razor up here. I have another glass. Every one of these glasses are different. Warm it up here with some hot water. Let's get going on pass number 1 with the grain. I do have 2 days worth of growth. And hopefully you can see that beautiful background. The road that's right in front of our condo or resort, they drive these motorcycles extremely fast up and down the road, and they're always honking and beeping at each other, which is insane. Have you guys ever been to Cancun, Mexico? Comment below and let me know. How was your stay? Where did you go? It's beautiful weather. When I left home, it was 36 degrees. Here, it's about 82 today, which is very nice. The locals all think it's cold. And it's always interesting to see the different people when you're on vacation, because they come from everywhere, and you never know who you're going to meet, who you're going to see. It's always interesting and fun. Let me know, do you guys want to see a beach shave? By the pool or hot tub, I don't know. Got some different things that I've been wanting to do while we're here. And so, I don't know. I'm just going to have to squeeze it in. Might be a morning shave, might be an evening shave. Who knows? Might not be another shave. should have brought the Droid shave stick that I made, but I didn't want to lose it, you know, in customs. And this is not going to be enough. I didn't bring my scooper either. I just kind of scooped a little bit out of there. So what I got's what I got. And I can't really see my screen. Probably just going to be a very thin lather. I did go to the local Walmart to see what kind of stuff they had for shave gear. It was my first time in a Mexican Walmart, and I was surprised at the things that I saw there. They had everything from souvenir stuff to the normal, you know, run-of-the-mill personal hygiene products. They had four-wheelers, motorcycles, kitchen stoves, refrigerators, pretty much anything you could think of, it was there, except for double-edged razor blades. Doing all right on time. Probably going a little too quick, but it's the way it is. On the next shave, I'll have a very nice lather. See if I can't get a cereal roll from the kitchen. Just got a regular washcloth here. Just gonna clean up with. I did run it in some cold water. I brought the tripod this time. Last time I was on vacation, I forgot the tripod in the window mount. When I went to Florida, I had my brother-in-law Bill come in, and he was wondering what I was doing shaving on the balcony. Presentable, not 100% perfect. I took an old travel size shampoo bottle, got me some star jelly in there, but I'm not using the star jelly yet, right? Because I'm using my Droid sample bottle. I didn't have enough time to go through and empty out one of the advent calendar splashes and soaps. I was going to do that, but you guys probably can't hear me. What an excellent scent. I need some more of that. I know I'm going to go out and get in the water here in a little bit, so it doesn't really matter, but it smells nice. And I used quite a bit of that. All right, on to the star jelly. Actually got something I'm going to do right after this, so I had a little bit of a rush. It feels so much better to have a nice clean shave. I'll put a little picture right here of the items I used today, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. Happy New Year's.